There they have the road signs are out. That's good that the state, mandates a 45-mile-an-hour speed limit. Whoa, look at that snow blowing off the car over there. Wow, that was cool. That was cool. Good thing it didn't hit nobody. I've been telling a lot of people, we're still having winter. And the groundhog, my dear friend, he said 6 more weeks of winter, and by gosh, we're having it. But no, we typically in February and March, we end up having these big storms. It's classic. You get the hot air from the south and the cold air, and they're just clashing. And where they meet, you get big snowstorms. So it's par for the course living here in the Northeast. Crescent Summit, and if you can see out there, it is extremely foggy, and the ice seems to be a little bit thicker up here on the tree line, which it would be. Now, once we get up here to the summit, I would imagine the trees will be hanging down. It's up on the summit up here, same as Chicory. The higher you go, there we got some trees down here on the side from the weight of the ice. Got to be really careful, because the road up here could be still ice covered. Now we're coming up on the summit here as we climb the ridge. There's some ice out there. I can feel the truck slipping a little bit. Take it easy. And you can see the hillsides out there. They're all white. That's ice. Heavy ice on the trees. This part of the highway here, this part of the highway is probably, look at the ice on the road, see that? This is probably the worst part of the highway. The wind up here, we're on top of the summit right now, and the wind blows across here, and it's always bad up here, always. But you can see the ice on the highway here. It's very, very bad. I'm already sliding around. Got a lot of tree damage over here. These trees are just laying down in the ice. Well, this is the Galitzin Summit, and it's where they always have the worst weather. Chicory and Galitzin Summit, man. I'm telling you. Whew. Yeah, there's PennDOT. He's out there just... They have 2 plow trucks that run this road from the top to the bottom all the time, so they definitely keep it going here. Now his plow is going to go ahead and blow that snow off the berm of the road. And that is salt coming out of the back of that truck, which I don't really want to get salt on my truck, but yeah, that plow will ride that guardrail the whole way down, actually touching it, and it just kind of like it slides along the guardrail. Look at that. Whew. It's just blowing that stuff off the road. Whew. Whoa, that is cool. Oh, that is just so cool. It's just blowing that stuff off the road. People think that, you know, PennDOT, they don't do their job. Hey, these guys are working around the clock, 24/7. You know, it's just that they work their buns off. Look at that. That's still a lot of snow that they've pushed off, ice and muck that they've pushed off the highway there.